Nothing is free. A powerful motivational story with real-life lessons and English learning moments. In a world where everything seems to have a price, is there truly anything that comes free? This story is not just about life. It's about truth, struggle, and discovering the power of language to unlock your future. Stay till the end and improve your English while witnessing one of the most unforgettable stories ever told. If you're new here and love inspiring stories that teach English along the way, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Word of the day, sacrifice. Meaning, giving up something valuable for the sake of others or a greater cause. Try using this word in a sentence and comment below. How's Chapter 1? The Street Boy. Ethan was only 8 years old when he learned the cruel truth. Nothing in life was free. Living on the rough streets of Detroit with his single mother, Maria, he often went to bed hungry. His shoes were torn, his books were old, and his dreams felt too expensive to afford. If this first chapter touched your heart, wait till you see what happens next. Learn this phrase. Hiding the pain in her heart means keeping sadness or struggle inside without showing it. Chapter 2. The Gift of a Book. One day, Ethan found a torn English grammar book in the trash outside a public library. Instead of ignoring it, he picked it up and brought it home. Repeat after me. I am learning English every day. Say it twice and write it down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories that help you learn English naturally. Chapter 3. The Free Class That Changed Everything. At 12, Ethan heard about a free community class at the local church. It wasn't fancy, but it had an English teacher named Mr. Blake who believed in second chances. Past tense example. Present. I run every evening. Past. I ran every evening. New episodes drop every week with English phrases, grammar tips, and life stories. Chapter 4. A Job Interview Without Shoes. Ethan walked into the cafe barefoot. When asked why, he replied, "Because I spent my last dollars on a dictionary." Meaning, to be worthy of something based on effort or behavior. Repeat after me. I deserve to succeed because I work hard. Subscribe now to follow Ethan's full journey and learn English through real emotion. Chapter 5. A Teacher Who Believed. You have a voice, Miss Carter told Ethan. You should write. Today I learned something new in English, and I'm proud of myself. Comment your version below. Chapter 6. The Scholarship Speech. Ethan stood before hundreds. English gave me wings. Now, I'm ready to fly. Pronunciation practice. Word, opportunity, say it. Subscribe for motivation plus education. Right arrow be part of a community where every video helps you grow. Chapter 7. College Life and Challenges. He started a channel, Word Warrior, teaching English through his story. Few with tip. Try teaching what you learn. It helps you remember better. Today's tip. Learn versus teach. Learn equals I learn English. Teach equals I teach my friends. Chapter 8. The TED Talk. Nothing is free, but everything is possible. Ethan declared on the TED stage. Brain. Repeat this powerful sentence. I can earn success by working every day. Ethan's story is just one of many we share to help you grow emotionally and linguistically. Chapter 9. Giving Back. Ethan opened a free English school named Maria's Light. He was once a boy with no shoes. Now, he gave shoes, books, and hope. English game. Write 3 words you learned and make a sentence for each. Orange heart comment below and subscribe for a chance to be featured in the next video. Conclusion. Your story begins now. Life owes you nothing. But if you work, believe, and learn, It gives back more than you can dream. Your future begins now. Final phrase. The journey is hard, but the reward is real. Say it again and subscribe to remember this forever. Bonus activity for viewers. Challenge. Comment your favorite phrase. List 10 new English words you learned. Hit subscribe for more inspirational plus educational videos every week. Subscribe. Learn. Transform. This is not just a story. This is your English classroom and your daily motivation, all in one.